So it's a cold January day and we're standing behind or beside one of the great harbingers of spring. And this is Rhododendron mucronulatum. And it grows in the wild in Japan and Korea and in China and Manchuria, where it grows on hillsides, out in the open in vast swathes. Sometimes it's this dark purple pink colour, and sometimes it can be pink or a range of different colours, even ranging down to white. These are small shrubby rhododendrons, and as you can see, they're completely deciduous. They flower away and often get frosted at this time of the year. What a remarkable colour that is, even on a drab day, to look into this lovely little shrub and see a startling colour like that peeping out at us. Now, you won't often find Rhododendron mucronulatum in our catalogue. They're very difficult to propagate because they very seldom set seed in our climate, because the flowers are quite often frosted or blown away in gales. It doesn't grow very well from cuttings, and propagation is therefore difficult. But there is one hybrid of this which Burncoose does sell, and that is a semi-evergreen rhododendron called Ostara. And Ostara is a hybrid between mucronulatum and another early flowering species, which is slightly evergreen, or partially deciduous. And the flowers are just 2 or 3 weeks later in the season, but they're the same colour as this, and they're equally beautiful. When one thinks about it, of the 650 species of rhododendron which we can probably grow in this country, which aren't tropical, only really a couple of dozen, maybe 3 dozen, are actually deciduous. And of the deciduous ones, most of them flower later in the year when there's more bees and flies and things to pollinate them. So this is a really unusual species, quite common in the wild, but really quite rare in the UK, and something to cherish as we look forward to the magnolia season, the opening of the gardens here, and the spring to come.